For our last demo, we'll look at the insights you can get from SDM's system of record. What we'll see here is the data from building the SDM Engineering Efficiency model itself. That data has been collected and correlated from Jira, GitHub, and Jenkins. The module has two perspectives, focus and throughput. Focus tells us where we're spending our time, and throughput tells us how fast we're moving. As an engineering manager, I can look at the investment areas graph to see that most of our time lately has been spent on internal work, reducing technical debt, upgrading infrastructure, things like that. We've also had a few days crushing bugs, and we're spending some time on R&D. This view is great as a high-level insight, but I'd like to see more details. So I go to the activity view. This shows me what's behind the graph we were just looking at. The data is organized by Jira Epic, and as I look across all those epics, I can make sure that we're focused on the right ones. I can also see how well the team is doing at staying on task. This pie chart shows me how many Jira tickets we've worked on that aren't related to any epic at all, as well as how many PRs we have that aren't linked to anything in Jira. I'm concerned about those numbers. Lucky for me, this isn't just a pretty picture. I can click on the slices in the pie and go directly to the tickets and PRs. So it's great that I can see where my team is focused, but I'd also like to know how fast we're moving. How long does it take a new ticket to get into production? The cycle time view shows me how well we're doing there. It's taking us just under a week to go from new ticket to new code in production. For more detail, the CI/CD performance view lets me see how often jobs are run, how often they fail, and how quickly we recover when they do fail. This job has run a little more than once a day over the last 30 days, and it takes about a half an hour per run, but I'm disturbed that it fails almost 40% of the time, and it takes 11 hours to recover when it does. If we can clean up that job, it'll have a big impact on the throughput of the team. That's a quick look at the Engineering Efficiency module. There are other views in this module, and of course there are other modules as well. Altogether, SDM gives you insights that make a difference based on data collected and correlated from the tools you're already using.